Hello and welcome to this course, How to Create a Multimedia Presentation using the Photos app in Microsoft Windows 10. In Lesson 1, you will locate the Photos app, you will begin to import photos into the library collection, add the photos to the storyboard, and manage the photos. First, you must locate the Photos app. We'll click on the Windows key, scroll down under the P's, we're looking for Photos. And here we go. Click on Photos. This will bring up the Photos app. And when you're creating a new project, the first thing you want to do is click on New Video. Once you click on New Video, you click on New Video Project. Once you click on New Video Project, you'll have to give it a name. For this purpose, we'll just call it Sample 1. You will need to add photos to your project library. We'll click on Add. For the purpose of this lesson and this course, we're going to be adding them from the computer. You can add them from USB devices, from your phones, from cameras, from other devices. But for this project, we're going to click on this PC. I'll scroll through some of the photos that I have included in my computer, and you can either add them one at a time and click open, and that'll add them to your project library, or you can add several at a time by holding down the control key, clicking on the ones you want. You can click randomly and it'll add these photos once you click open. Now they're all on your storyboard. If you want to add them directly all to your storyboard, you see all the check marks, you can either just say place in storyboard, or you can drag them and place them in the storyboard. This will put them on your storyboard. Or you can do them one at a time. If I want to put this one to my storyboard, I can just click it here and say place in the storyboard. It'll put it at the end here. I can also just grab it and drag it into the storyboard, and that puts it in my storyboard. This is the storyboard. That's the video presentation that I'm creating with all these photos. One thing, if you notice, this picture here has some black bars here. That can be easily adjusted by clicking on Resize. Once you click on Resize, you click on Remove Black Bars. Click that, and that removes the black bars. One key to remember is down here. That was the picture that was highlighted. If I want to choose this picture here, I have to highlight it. You notice it also has black bars. By clicking on Resize and Remove Black Bars, it removed the black bars. That's just a tip to help you make it look cleaner. The other option we have for the pictures is we can change the duration time. This is the duration time that the picture is going to be up on the screen before it switches to the next one, to the next one, to the next one. The default is 3 seconds. You can right click on the picture that's selected and say duration time, and you can change it to whatever you want. I'm going to change that one to 1 second. That changes the duration time on this picture to 1 second. By the same token, if I select this picture here, you'll also notice a duration menu here. You click on duration, that gives you the exact same thing. I can change the duration two ways, by right clicking or clicking on duration, and that changes the duration time that the picture will be displayed. The other thing you can do is you can review the entire setup that you have here by pressing play here, and this previews the video presentation as it is changing and all of that. The other thing that you can do is you can move these pictures around down here in the storyboard. I can move this one over here, change the order, place it over here, and just move them around whatever fits best for you. If I want to remove a picture I don't like, I simply click on the X right here, and that removes it from the storyboard. It's still in my project library up here, but it's removed from my storyboard. And this is what's going to create my project. If I want to remove this one, it removes the picture from the storyboard. If I want to remove them all, I can click on Remove All, and that takes them all out of the storyboard. I don't have any more over here. So I can go back, add them one at a time like I said, put a check mark here, and just say place in storyboard, or drag them to the storyboard, and that puts them down here. and I can click random ones, you know, and just say place to storyboard, or I can simply drag them. Once again, to change the duration time, you click here, the picture that's highlighted, you can change the duration time, or you can right click on the picture, change duration time, click on there and say change. That'll change the duration time. You can move the pictures around like I said. You can remove one at a time by clicking on the X, and then up here you can preview the picture, the pictures as they're coming through the screens. And that's basically it to locating the Photos app, to importing pictures into the project library, and adding the pictures into your storyboard to create your presentation. Thank you very much for watching. In the next lesson, we will continue with adding video and managing and manipulating the videos. Thank you.